Hello, my name's John Francis. For me, the arts are not only about looking, they're about the backstory. In my lectures, I look at the social, political and cultural context. It can be said that some of the greatest art, Turner, the Beatles, Picasso and even Miles Davis, combine experiment with popularity. Their work takes the audience from somewhere familiar to somewhere new. In my lectures, we do this. We explore the not yet said of modern art. I was trained as a painter and later as a filmmaker. So I look at the canvas picture frame and the camera photographic frame. My interests then are in painting, drawing, posters, animation and film. After all, cinema is the total art form. My recent lectures and workshops include Alfred Hitchcock, the British landscape tradition, the urge to buy and the art of advertising, the GPO film unit, Bond, James Bond, film noir and Scandi noir, German art and cinema between the wars, and many more. Thanks very much for watching.